to let you know the importance of how minority certification can help you, me, and all of us alike win in contracts, especially if you have a niche trade. If you're a plumber, an electrician, or even if you like a painter or any type of specialty trade, this is a perfect opportunity because there are not many companies that have specialty trade that are minority certified. So now they have New York City, New York State minority certification. They also have the DBE, which is for the MTA, Metropolitan Transportation Authority. That's track work everywhere. They also have the SCA program, and also big construction companies like Turner also have mentor programs. So there's a lot of programs that you could actually register, and what they have to do is give 30% of these contracts. So if you're bidding on a contract or someone send you an email for you to put a bid in, not even a bid in, but if someone send you an email to give so you can give them a price on a job, they potentially looking at you to get hired for that job so you can make some good money with these certifications. Now, it's not an easy deal. It's not going to happen quick. I've been in business 11 years now, and after the first years when I started getting started applying for my certification, because you have to have filed your taxes in order to apply for these certifications. So within the first 5 years of my business, I tried to apply for as many certifications as I could. So within that 5-year period, I got myself DBE certified, 8A certified, GSA, and also New York City, New York State minority certified. With these certifications, it put us on a list of other contractors. So reaching out to other electricians, general contractors to try to get work, but you also open up the doors for government contracting. So what I did was I was looking for a lot of service contracts, monitoring contracts that I knew as a solopreneur I could do myself. I could do testing inspections, no matter the size building. I could go and have a service contracts and do 4 or 5 service calls a day, or I can go and hook up 30 monitor accounts. Yes, I can do these things, but on an install side, it was a little difficult. I had to build up my name by getting jobs under my certification. Now, a decade later, I just get emails just to put my price in. It's not even competitive. I give them my price and what it's going to cost for me to do these fire alarm jobs. And these are all prevailing wage jobs. These are track work, MTA work. So of course, these jobs are very, very lucrative. So it's your time, your opportunity to capitalize it. So that's why the Certification Accelerator is the program for you. Once you go through the course, it's going to teach you how to get this certification. It's going to teach you how to mark this certification so you can get your first $50,000 winning government contract. And if you're still on the fence and not convinced, then you can watch this next video here. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.